Welcome to the channel. We continue our course on learning the Zabbix tool. In this video, we will discuss step-by-step configuration of email for sending event notifications to the Zabbix server administrator. If you want to receive notifications to your email about events on your server at any time, then this video tutorial is for you. Also, I'll add that Zabbix supports sending notifications not only via email, but today we'll focus on this method. Before we begin, please support the channel by liking this video and leaving your comment below. This will help YouTube's algorithms better promote this video, and you can also support my channel with a donation, which will further motivate me to create videos for you. So let's get practical and set up event notifications. The first thing we need to do is to go to the Alerts tab, then Actions, and select the Trigger Actions tab. Here we need to activate the function to report problems to the Zabbix administrator, send notifications to the administrator. Next, go to the Media Types tab. Then click on Create Notification Method or select Email from the list of existing ones. We will create a new template. On the Template Settings page, you will find all the necessary parameters for configuring the SMTP server, selecting the port, email address field, and others. Note that all required fields are marked with a red asterisk. Let's fill in these fields. Name. Enter the name of the notification template. It can be anything. Type. Select the required parameter from the drop-down list, in this case, email. Email provider. Here you can select a template such as Gmail or fill in everything manually. I will show you how to fill it in manually. SMTP server. Enter the SMTP server for outgoing message processing. smtp.gmail.com. SMTP server port. Specify the SMTP server port number for processing outgoing messages. This option is supported starting from Zabbix 3. SMTP email. The address specified here will be used in the From field in sent messages. SMTP Hilo. Specify the correct SMTP Hilo value. Usually this is the domain name. Connection security. Choose the connection security level. None, Startles, or SSL TLS. This option is supported starting from Zabbix 3. SSL node verification. Check to verify the SSL certificate of the SMTP server. This option is supported starting from Zabbix 3. SSL host verification. Check to verify that the common name field or subject alternate name field of the SMTP server certificate matches. This option is supported starting from Zabbix 3. Authentication. Choose the authentication level. None. Username and password, or plain password. This option is supported starting from Zabbix 3. Username. Username for authentication. This option is supported starting from Zabbix 3. Password. Password for authentication. This option is supported starting from Zabbix 3. Here we have a nuance. By default, Gmail does not allow third-party services to send messages. So we will go to the mailbox settings and perform certain manipulations. Namely, click on the gear icon and click on the All Settings button. Here you need to go to the Forwarding a MAP tab. You need to enable IMAP access to Gmail from other clients via the IMAP protocol, and save the changes. Then go to the Security tab. In the search field, enter app passwords and create a password for the Zabbix application. The generated password should be entered in the password field in Zabbix. Activated. Next, check the box to activate the notification method and click Update. To make sure everything is working, let's send a test email. And as we can see, everything worked. When you finish setting up the email channel, you also need to specify the address to which the messages should be sent. This can be done in the Users section, Users tab. Go to the user profile, then go to the Notifications tab. Here click Add, select from the drop-down list the profile we just created, then in the Send to field, enter the address or addresses to which we want to send notifications. In the next field, set the hours during which these notifications will be active. This item is necessary in case you need to prevent notifications from arriving at night, for example. Then check the boxes next to the notifications you want to receive. Regarding this point, I will make a small digression. In my opinion, it makes sense to choose only high-level notifications, otherwise your mailbox will be flooded with various informational notifications. And as a result, among these notifications, you can lose really important ones. Then select Activate and click Add. Finishing the setup, make sure all settings are saved correctly and properly. Now your email channel is ready to use. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments under the video. This concludes part 4 of the Zabbix course. Thank you for your attention.